Okay, just some action going on at the crossing here. That was pretty nice to catch. Don't know if I'll be catching any more of it or not. I think some more's coming. Some more's coming. Still activate. Oh, there we go. Now see what they were doing. How far are they even down there? Oh, they're quite a distance by this point. Oh, look at that. Don't see nothing down there. No action. But yeah, I never expected to come across something like that down these tracks. That's kind of nice to catch. Definitely kind of nice to catch for sure. Alright, well, this is all I really have for y'all today. So, yeah, also, real quick before I do end this video off, hope y'all can hear me over the wind. It's getting a little bit windy, but hope y'all had a great Easter.